Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to just do a really quick demonstration of what we covered this week in class with geospatial data mapping. So you can see here I've got a really nice map and then two other basic visuals that can be used to filter this map. All right, so we're just going to kind of go through the basics. You can see this is made up of 3 sheets. So I've got obviously that's being filtered right now, so I'll just unclick that. We've got sheet 1, which is our map with our 3 regions of Peel. Brampton, Mississauga, Caledon. And then we've got these 2 sheets here. I'm not going to go into detail on how to create a bar chart or a tree map today, but I will show you how to make this. So it all starts with our data source, and we have to have a joined file. So you can see I clicked open there, and I've got a left join happening between my Excel file and my SHP file. Now, that is coming from this Excel file here in this shapefile here. So the Excel file is in the health inspections data here, which you can just drag and drop this in, and then I will actually do file new and show you exactly how to do this from scratch, okay? So we're gonna just start up a brand new Tableau instance and create this together. Okay, so here I am inside of Tableau, and you can see that I am just going to drag and drop my Excel file into Tableau, and we can see this is my food data. Again, our lat long is going to be the most important data pieces here. And I'm going to click this little drop down arrow and click open. Now I'm inside of the table and I'm going to create a join. So I'm going to run back to my file explorer here, go into the Peel region of Peel shapefile. And you can actually do this zipped. I've tried both. So if it's unzipped, you just drag the SHP file in like this. And if it's just a zip folder, this entire folder would be zipped and you'd bring the entire zip folder like this into there. Now, we're going to do a left join because we want to keep all of our records, our health inspection records, and we're going to left join on city equal to, okay, we're just going to bring in the shapes that match municipal name. And when we do that, we can see we get a little blue and orange indicator here on both tables, and I can scroll through and you can see that blue and orange indicator shows the columns and rows that correspond with those 2 data tables. And we can see that we've got some polygons being brought in. Now, if I jump over to sheet 1, the easiest way to do this is by double clicking geometry to start. And that's going to automatically detect a map type in our marks card and apply the polygons from our shapefile. Now you can see it's just one giant shape, and if I drag city onto detail, now I get an individual city for each region, okay? Now, to grab our lats and longs, we're going to actually create a dual axis chart by holding Control on my keyboard and clicking and dragging. I've now created a duplicate. And in my second marks card, I'm just going to clear out these blue pills so I've got a blank map to start on. Then we just grab our lat on detail and our long on detail, and we get the average of all our lats and longs. But if I want to split them up by, let's say, for example, city, now I get one average for Caledon, one for Brampton, and one for Mississauga. I don't want to have each city's average. I want to have each individual facility. So by facility number on detail, I can drag and drop that pill and get all of the individual restaurants. Now let's say status onto color, and I can edit these so that I've got exactly the colors I want. So closed will be red, conditional will be yellow, and passed will be green. And then we can see all the restaurants that got closed down due to health inspections not being passed. Now to join these 2 together, we're just going to click the little drop down here, dual axis, and we've got our nice geospatial map file. Of course, we can modify the tooltip and we can get rid of things that are not relevant like the lat and the long. And then when I hover over, I can see the city or the status name. Perhaps I even want the restaurant name rather than the facility number. So I can just delete this. And from here, I can insert, any of the fields from my workbook. So I'm just going to grab facility name, put it onto tooltip, and then maybe we'll just delete this and drag facility name onto tooltip. There we go. Oh, that's not working. Okay, so we can see I've just got the status as I hover over each one. All I'm going to do is bring facility name onto I just double clicked it there. Bring facility name onto the tooltip here, And then in Tooltip, I'm going to insert facility name. Here, it's an attribute, and then I can just sort of type facility name colon enter, and then we'll just make it bold. Maybe we'll make this text all a little bit bigger. Perfect. And now when I hover over, you can see Mama's Burritos, Fresh Food Market, M&M Meat Shops, and we can get all the details we want. All right, and then you would just add the other charts, put it into a dashboard, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that little quick tutorial on how to build a map of the region of Peel health inspection data.